You've probably seen something online and thought, this looks real. A message, a website, an email. It looks clean, professional, familiar, so it feels safe. But here's the important part. Something can look trustworthy without actually being trustworthy. Today on Zyber, we're going to look at why things online feel legitimate, even when they aren't. No fear, just understanding. When we see something online, we don't analyze it first. We react to how it looks. Clean design, recognizable logos, familiar layouts. Our brain uses those signals to make a quick judgment. Is this normal? Does this feel right? And most of the time, that works. But not always. Our brains are designed to recognize patterns. When something matches what we've seen before, we trust it more quickly. This is called familiarity, and it's useful in everyday life. But online, it can be copied. A logo can be copied. A layout can be recreated. A message style can be imitated. So something can feel familiar without actually being real. There are a few common signals that make something feel trustworthy. Branding, like logos and colors. Structure, how the page is laid out. Language, the tone of the message. And consistency, how closely it matches what you've seen before. None of these are bad on their own. In fact, they're part of what makes the internet usable. But they're also easy to replicate. Most online threats don't look suspicious. They look normal. That's what makes them effective. If something looked obviously fake, it wouldn't work. So instead, it blends in. It looks like something you've seen before. And that familiarity lowers your guard. The key shift is this. Don't rely on how something looks. Rely on whether it can be verified. A real message will still make sense when you check it independently. A real website will still exist when you go to it directly. Appearance is a signal. Verification is proof. You don't need to distrust everything, and you don't need to analyze every detail. Just remember, looking real is not the same as being real. When something matters, take a moment to verify it. That small pause makes a big difference. The internet is designed to feel familiar, and most of the time, that's helpful. But understanding how that feeling works gives you more control. You move from reacting to recognizing, from guessing to knowing.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.